Hey, it's Melissa here with Web of Creativity, and I'm sharing with you my sale, 25% off of everything. I'm also going to discuss a little bit of an update with myself, what's been going on, how come my projects haven't been posted, and when am I going to post next. But right now I'm going to talk about my sale. So I'm having a sale, 25% off of everything, code SELL25. It's happening right now. The dates for the sale are in the link below, and the link to the website's below. So I have a shop section on my blog and a tutorial section. Both of those are on sale. So the shop section has my kits that come with the tutorial. Those are on sale. I do have some products that are on sale, and then I have all of my tutorials. So I'm going to just swing my camera over to show you some of my boxes. These are not all of my boxes, but some of my boxes which I have for sale. Hold on. Okay, I'm not very good with handhold camera, but so I'm going to try not to wiggle. But I have, these are just a few that are laid out. That's Christmas Time, Birdwatch, Catch of the Day. These are all Graphic 45s, Woodland, Birthday Brag Book. This is an actual kit, and a wallet kit. Those are just a few that I have on the table, and then I'm going to go down here, and those are 2 boxes full of paper kits. I have another box sitting right here of paper kits. So those boxes with kits, that's not all of them. I have 3 more containers full of kits. So I do have paper kits that have 12 by 12 papers in them, the collection papers, and the solid and pattern papers. They have, most of these are Graphic 45. There's a Prima, couple of Primas in there as well, and stickers, chipboards, journaling cards, die cuts, ephemera cards. Each packet has different items in it, so when you click on the packet, it'll give you a description of everything that comes in the paper packet. Just a couple of things. Each item has shipping attached to it, so if you want, I can't do anything about that, but if you order multiple items, I will take those and put them in the best shipping box and refund any shipping cost to you. I've always done that, and I'll continue to do that, but I had to attach shipping to every item. So again, I can merge anything that if you buy multiple stuff, and refund the cost. Next, I'm also cleaning out my craft room, so as the days go on, I'm going to add more stuff, so keep checking back. I added some Tim Holtz dies, some older ones, discontinued ones. They are used, but I took pictures of them so you can see those. They're all on sale, along with the 25% off sale. So it's like a double sale. None of them are full price. So again, 25% off, sale code is SELL25. So I'm going to go and switch over and talk a little bit about me, because I think I covered all this sell stuff. Just keep checking back either on my website, webofcreativity.net, the links below, or my Facebook page, which is Facebook/webofcreativity, and that's going to have all my sell stuff, and I'm going to keep updating that as well. So I'm going to switch over and talk a little bit about me. Hold on. Okay, so I have not changed my paper crafting company to a card making company. I have not done that. So what happened, I just happened to be making these. So what happened was I have not had a chance to make any new projects, and that's why all of my kits packs are going on sale. I have Catch of the Day and Birdwatch, which I had plans for and just couldn't have the time to do that. So if you know me, you know that I was a Graphic 45 designer and ended a design team member and ended June of this year. In April of this year, I got married. So you might notice my last name is different on some stuff. So instead of Melissa Merritt, I am now Melissa Taylor, and I'm in the process of changing the name on my business side of things. So let's just say the Social Security office takes a little bit. But now that my name is officially changed, I'm going to change it on everything else. I got sidetracked. So what happened is we got married in the end of April, which takes a lot of time to plan. And then the weekend right after, we went to Georgia. I live in Florida, so we went to Georgia for a job interview for my husband, and he got the job. It's a great job. He loves it. He started working there almost immediately, which means we need to move. So that's what the cell's for. I do not want to take any of this with me, so please buy it all so I don't have to pack it. Speaking of packing, this is why I haven't created anything new. I've been packing on the weekends. I still have my full-time job, so it's hard to craft when you're packing. I have yet to pack up my craft room, but I'm getting ready to do that. So as I'm going through my craft room, I'm going to put more stuff up on my blog for sale. So I don't have to take it with me, things that I haven't used in a while and things like that. I do have a lot of Graphic 45, Tim Holtz, Prima. I have Spellbinders dies, Memory Box dies. I just got a lot of stuff. A lot of papers. So I'm going to put everything up for sale. It's going to be a little slow going, but I'm going to keep working on it. And because we're in the middle of looking for a house and the market is just absolutely crazy, it's taking some time. I have been up there in Georgia for a little bit and came back down, and I'll probably go back up there again before the end of the year. So with the packing, the looking for a house, I just don't have any time to make any big projects. That's why there's cards. I still needed an escape for crafting. I can't just not do it. So Lawn Fawn, I love Lawn Fawn, has come out with some absolutely wonderful dies and stamp sets. So I've just been playing with Copic markers. I'm learning a lot, getting to use all my Tim Holtz oxides, inks for the backgrounds. So it's fun just getting inky and coloring. And just creating something small. And these are easy because I just work on them, get a card done and you know, a few hours or a couple hours, and then I go pack up another box. So this keeps me sane. My packing also took a little bit of a hit because I hurt my back and I couldn't sit for longer than like 10 minutes for the first month. So I am going to the chiropractor. It's been about 2 months. I'm getting better. It's just still uncomfortable sometimes. That's beside the point, but that is one of the reasons why it's been taking me so long not to do anything. So some of the cards I have posted on my blog and my website, that's the same thing. I meant on my Facebook, but not a lot. So I'm going to get a little bit better with that as I start getting organized. But I am making these really cool cards. I love this. And I'm learning. So this background technique, not mine. I got this, copied this from one of the girls that in Lawn Fawn that teaches this cool little background. They have videos. It's so awesome. So this is a new stamp set. This is also a new stamp set. And they're just really fun. And of course Halloween. So I had to make some Halloween cards. The bear set's one of my favorites. So I had to make that Halloween. So I'm just having a fun time putting these together. You know, making a card or two over the weekend, again, just to keep me sane. And then, you know, learning how to color and stuff like that. I really like it. So I'll most likely continue to make cards when I move into the new place. But I will have a lot more room and space and time to work on back on to my mini albums. And I will try and make something awesome as soon as I'm able to. So I don't see me making anything until next year. So please buy all my stuff so I don't have to pack it up. And it is going to be slow going because the market is absolutely crazy. So if we don't get a house, I don't know what we're going to do, but I know I'm not going to have a craft room. So I'm going to keep packing up. Check my all the links are below. Check everything, and I'll keep putting more and more stuff up as the days go on and the weeks, and hopefully, you know, and if this sell, I probably have this going on a little longer than a week, but right now it's just a week time, and I'll keep you posted on my website and my Facebook page. So please go check that out. All right, I'm sorry for mumbling so much. You guys are the greatest, the best. You keep purchasing my tutorials, which I am very thankful for. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have not disappeared. I'm still here, and I will continue to make stuff as soon as I have the chance. But right now I hope you enjoy just cute little pictures of my cards until I get situated and hopefully start dishing out new stuff next year. All right, thank you for watching.